today. By the way, this is Stephanie. We're going to go to explore some online apps that can help in our daily lives as a future educator in the future. So first, let's click here, Google. Then let's search the FED simulation. Um, FED simulation founded in 2002 by Nobel laureate Carl Wieman. Just click here. Sorry for the low signal. Oh my god, my signal! It's so loading. Loading. So, interactive simulation for science and math. We have here some physics, chemistry, math, earth science, and biology. For today, let's choose the biology. It's so loading. Kaayo. Okay, we have here the density, different kinds of topics, which are the density, natural selection, gene expression essentials, molecule polarity, neuron color vision, and pH scale. So, okay, we're going to choose the color vision. Color vision. It indicates here at the bottom the topics that we'll be going to discuss, which are the photons, monochromatic light, white light, and rainbows. It also indicates here the learning goals to determine what color the person sees for various combinations of red, green, and blue light, and also to describe the color of light that is able to pass through different colored filters. Just click here. We have here single bulb, the RGB bulbs. So first, let's choose the single bulbs. So it's here, indicates here. Let's put here the color green and also here the color green. Then choose click. And if you're going to put it at color violet and color blue, the person sees it as color blue. Let's choose here. If we're going to combine the color blue, green, and also the color red, it will be equal to color white. If we lower here the color blue, the color yellow. Green plus color red is equal to yellow. If we're going to lower the green, red plus blue is equal to pink. If we're going to lower the green and the red, blue and green color is equal to aquamarine. So, if we're going to combine the color blue, red, and green, it will be equal to color white. Color vision is incredibly important for a variety of reasons, impacting our daily lives in ways we are not even realize. It also helps us in safety and navigation. For example, in traffic signals. Imagine navigating a busy intersection without being able to distinguish between red, green, and color blue. Color vision is essential for safe driving and pedestrian safety. In summary, color vision is a fundamental aspect of our sensory experience, contributing to safety, communication, cognitive development, health, and even the beauty of the natural world. This is Stephanie. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoy, guys.